Hello everybody, thanks for clicking on my video, and in this short tutorial, I'll explain how you can do the most simple Monolith M1060 modification, which is also known as the paper towel mod. By the end of the video, I'll also discuss whether this mod is worth it or not. To do this mod, all you need is a paper towel. I heard that some users on headphone forums got the best results from Bounty Select A-size paper towels, so I'll link that product down in the description. However, most generic paper towels will work as well. First, you can rip out a piece of paper towel and fold it as can be seen in the video. Then, since the diameter should be 3 inches, mark 1.5 inches on the paper towel. In my case, I used a pencil. Once you have marked the 1.5 inch points, you can start cutting the paper towel. Finally, you unscrew the headphone grill, then put the paper towel in the center, and put the grill back on. If you want, you can put it only on one side of the headphone and see if you can tell the difference. You might ask or could tell what this modification actually does. For me, the mids felt slightly more controlled. Many on Reddit said that this mod and the vegan pad mod is necessary, so I'll post the link for the vegan pads down below as well. As I do not have the proper gear to measure the frequency response of the headphones, here is the frequency response graph made by user Hans, who is an admin at Super Best Audio Friends, one of the largest audio forums. The first graph is with paper towel mod only, and the second graph is with the paper towel mod and the vegan pads. So is this mod worth it? If you can spare any time, yes, I highly recommend it. Also, this mod doesn't remove the infamous 5K ring of the M1060s, they do enhance the mids, or at least for me. Thank you for watching my video, and see you on the next one.